Hello, everyone. My name is Bart, and I've been trading for 8 years. I mainly trade S&P 500 E-mini futures, and I've been doing quite well at it, so you could say I do it professionally. For the past 3 years, I've been documenting my trading journey on YouTube. A few years ago, like many traders similar to me, I discovered prop trading as a method to increase capital for trading. While I never had any issues or reservations with prop trading in futures markets, my experience with Forex trading has been truly awful. It all started with a major scam by my Forex funds. Several funded accounts with substantial profits vanished without a trace. Despite the setback, I persisted. Then came another major mess-up. A few weeks ago, the funded trader turned out to be a huge scam. Although I see their website as backup, I doubt anyone in their right mind would want anything to do with them. But one company outdoes all the others on the internet in sheer audacity, ignorance, and rudeness. That company is Blue Guardian. This film is made solely to warn other traders before they, like me, get screwed out of their money by these scammers. This company frequently changes trading platforms within a few weeks. Brokers and trading platforms seem to terminate agreements with them because login details and trading platforms changed weekly. Of course, the company doesn't care if you've purchased an evaluation or have a funded account on the MetaTrader 5 platform. They change the platform and then you have to beg for new login details. But enough of that. The enormous spreads manipulated by the company to close your positions at a loss are well known. Therefore, I only select currency pairs where even if they increase the spread overnight from 10 to 300, yes, 30-fold, not a joke, my position won't be closed. This happened recently. On April 4th, I opened several short positions on GBP/USD. It was a perfect third bounce from the trend line on the H4 timeframe. My target was achieved the next day. The risk-reward ratio was 3-to-1, ideal for this kind of trade. Transactions settled, profit booked. For 10 days, nothing happened until 3 days before potential profit withdrawals, when the Blue Guardian scammers showed their true colors. I've had many run-ins with them before, but this time they really ticked me off. They emailed me claiming I traded during news events. They don't care that I entered the trades many hours earlier and set my profit target and stop loss immediately, as I've been taught. I replied to their email, requesting a re-verification of my transactions and informing them that I did not violate any terms, while also warning that I would expose their practices. Of course, they couldn't care less and didn't even bother to respond to such insignificant pests like myself. Imbeciles. They'll always find a reason to wipe out your account. I've had similar situations with them before, but they were slightly less brazen. Overnight, they reduced my balance, and when I contacted support, they told me to Google or check YouTube for their regulatory oversight. I wasted many weeks trading with this thieving company, only to learn in the end that I'll get nothing because they manipulate balances as they please. Following the debacles with my Forex funds and the funded trader, this is, in my opinion, the next scam company functioning on fumes because its owner burns so much cash on private jets, parties, and cars that draining clients won't sustain such a lifestyle much longer. I'm not envious because after working 8 years, often over a dozen hours a day, I've achieved success in trading and recouped those few $1,000s long ago on other markets. However, remember, don't buy their evaluations. And if you already did, reconcile that you probably won't see $1 of your hard-earned profits. Another aspect demonstrating the greed of Blue Guardian is their repeated rejection of affiliate withdrawal requests. The amounts are laughably small, but they can't even live up to this basic task of sending me the money I earned. It's a humiliating practice employed by these scammers. My subscribers know I'm not bitter and not seeking publicity. I'm not after reach and fame on YouTube. I publish for educational and entertainment purposes. However, in this situation, I feel it's my moral duty as a human being and a trader to warn everyone about Blue Guardian. I've read about many people cheated by this company, but they lack the means to tell a wider audience. My channel isn't large, but the trading community is supportive, which is why I've prepared this video. Scammers should be exposed. So if you think this video helps, please share it, like it, and subscribe to the channel. If you choose not to, nothing will happen. But if just one person refrains from sending them their money, I'll consider my goal achieved. Don't get scammed. Trade safely. Thank you for your attention, and until next time.